Pour love into your wounds. Pieces that people knocked out of your heart, whether that was your own blood, friends, or lovers, betrayal, trauma, a death. Look at them. Face towards it, not away. Handle those voids with care. It hurts when someone makes sensitive parts within your being bleed out. The gut-wrenching pain, crying till you cannot breathe anymore. You can't push it away. You will attempt to numb it. With food, substances, lust, anything you can get your hands on to make your heart stop aching. Be easy on yourself. Grief and healing is not linear, nor is it pretty.